Now one of those wiggles. I'm not going to tell you which one. I can't remember. All I know is it went whoop, 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 whoop. Those extra legs come in handy, didn't they?
Yes, sir. Afternoon, guys. I wanted to say good morning, but I didn't get going this morning like I had hoped I would, but you know, it's gonna be alright. I'm headed to Asheboro, North Carolina. I'm gonna spend the night tonight at Holly Bluff Campground. Tomorrow morning I will be meeting the folks, Billy from 12 Stones Outdoors, Shane from Monkeying Around,
in half a mile, turn left onto Alabama 71 North.
Anthony Barber, one of my buddies that's gone with us on a few trips. We'll be meeting them, and we're going to take off on the Uwharrie Thru Hike. It's a charity hike for the Three Rivers Land Trust.
Turn left onto Alabama 71 North.
It's a charity hike for the Three Rivers Land Trust, and we're going to be hiking 40 miles over the next 4 days. Not going to be anything any one day particularly long or anything, but it's a lot of elevation change over those 4 days, and it's just going to be,
continue on Alabama 71 North for 18 miles.
4 constant days of hiking. So alright, I'm going to let you guys go. Get off this thing, see if I can get some driving done. Got a long way to go. See ya. We still got about 4 hours to go. Getting kind of tired. Just tired of sitting. Alright, anyway, I was just checking in with you. Hey, how you doing? Hope everything's well. How's your mama doing?
I gotta come back over here. Yeah, jumping off like you'll have hot. Oh my God.
For supper?
What he was doing.
You thought he was fixing to hit you.
Good gosh, he's fixing to hit you. I thought he was calling him in for. I thought he was gonna hook up with William Shatner out there. I didn't know.
Shatner's his thing.
We've just left the Uwharrie trailhead. Starting out, I'm just talking on the camera. Just left the Uwharrie trailhead. Starting out on our 40-mile thru hike. Anthony, Shane's the one that called me and put me up to this. So I'm gonna blame Shane for all the pain and misery. Billy's going to be joining us tonight. Unfortunately, he had a funeral he had to attend this morning, and so he's going to be joining us tonight.
We're gonna bounce across these rocks and grab my reach in my back right there and grab my stick, please. We're gonna use them for the first time. I just bought them yesterday. Watch that rock right there.
She wiggles a little. Did you see which one he said to watch, Shane? This one I got it wiggles. The rest of them.
That's that music group my kids used to watch when they were little. With the Wiggles. What's the name of it?
I think so.
Oh yeah, I just took my shoes off Saturday and just come across it. It was
Let's see how the bionic man does here.
No, I ain't filming. No, you are filming.
I am filming.
I'm sorry to say, because this is where I'd fall. You ain't gonna fall. Wait a minute, that ain't the one?
No.
It's this one right here. Good here? You good there?
That.
You good with this one? Good with that one. That one there and next. Pull a step more together.
One of those wiggles. I'm gonna tell you which one. I can't remember. All I know is it went boom, 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 boom. Those extra legs come in handy, didn't it?
Yes, sir.
Two dogs, brother and sister. The sister's got the short legs, the brother's got the long legs.
Making it?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
But I'm going to tell you what, I ain't never hiking with Karen Alma. Because her, what do we say, 5.3?
Yep.
Yeah, trip distance 5.3.
Yeah, I'm gonna work.
She told me she'd be here at 5 miles.
She said she's gonna be.
Your number's right. Because we're only about 3.8. You're at 6.2.
Yep.
That would be 10. Yeah. You got this in the bag, Kevin. Now, either way, no matter how you look at it,
So far.
Anthony Barber.
Yeah. At least it's not superhuman.
Brad Moore.
to remember to like do the racing.
You're not old.
My knees are 38. My Garmin says I have to sit until 20. One of those numbers is right.
Dublin.
See a fire lane through here. You can tell by looking up through here that this is burned sometime last year or so.
And as an antiseptic, wild comfrey and stargrass are other native plants that Joe describes as having medicinal uses in his book, An Afternoon Hike into the Past.
Alright, so we're wrapping up our day. It's been a pretty rough day. I don't know how many feet in elevation, but quite a bit. We're going to end up right around 10 miles today. But we're camping tonight at Yates' place. And I think we're going to do a rearrange on some stuff in my pack tonight. Is that the dinner horn? Not real sure what that horn is or was. But anyway, about 1/10 of a mile from camp. 2/10, something like that. It's been a pretty long day. So I think everybody's just about ready to throw a hammock in a tree and crash for a while.
Well, I'm gonna
So-
put some gear.
My buddy Shane here
I ain't bring my camera.
had double knee replacement just a few months ago, and he's on this hike. If I was him, I would have flashing arrows on my hiking poles pointing to my knees going,
I ain't very smart.
up the road, and I guess you call it a social. You can see here, this is quite the little event. I'll show you my little setup here while it's kind of quiet down this way. Got my tarp rain fly set up under there, and then my gear bomb has gone off here. But they're actually feeding us pizza, and where are you? There you are. They're actually feeding us pizza and soft drinks. Quite the little social event, apparently. Pretty cool. If you enjoyed this episode, consider subscribing so you can join us on the rest of our crazy adventures. Remember to get out and find your own adventure, because even bad adventures make great stories. Thanks for tagging along with us today, guys.